Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, ThePrettyPalette. This is Shreya Gaur and welcome back in another video. And today's video is all about get ready with me. I did an Instagram poll that should I do a traditional look or western look. You guys, 70% of you guys voted for western look, so I'll go for western look and I'll just create a western look, and the video is all about the get ready with me. Let's start. So I shoot my video in the corner of my drawing room. This is my whole drawing room and I shoot at this corner, and here are my all makeup products I keep, and this is where I stand my ring light, and yeah, this is all my setup, and I just fix my phone here and start shooting. That's all. Starting with the moisturizer, apply it thoroughly. Now applying some foundation. Don't forget to apply it on your neck and just dab your blender. Dab very well. Now using the compact, just doing the baking process. Now we'll come to the contouring part. Just we have to highlight the cheekbones. Now it's time to blush. Don't forget to blush your nose. That looks pretty good. Applying some concealer underneath the eyes, and time to do the eyeshadow part, and I'm just applying the lightest color I'm gonna use. That's the brownish color. Then using the concealer, and just dabbing it thoroughly. Using again a bit of the dark color. Use one more shade plus from your earlier color. I haven't shown you the eyeliner process. Now coming to the black eyeshadow and the lipstick. Now highlighter. It's a quick get ready with me. Yeah. Hi, so I'm dressed up and I'm feeling really very good right now. This look came out pretty good. This feels very good, and you must tell me in the comments below if this look was good, and whenever you try it or do it whenever you feel like, just mention me there. So I'm going to show you some pictures that I clicked.